where security officers detained at vantage points and family members of accused persons being prevented or are being prevented from entering courtroom as third accused persons in the absence trial faces cross-examination by the Director of Public Prosecution, Yvonne Atakra Opobisan. All right, so those are the scenes from the courts. Let's go on to the phone lines and speak with Jeff Atakra, who is in courts now. It has to do with the ambulance trial involving the minority leader, Ato Forson. Jeff, thank you for your time. You're welcome. Good afternoon to you. Hello, Jeff.
Good afternoon, Annie.
All right, so you're saying that security officers have been detailed at vantage points. What are you talking about? Explain what's happening there to us. Hello.
All right, thank
Jeff?
you, Annie.
Right.
So if you come to the... Annie, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sure, Jeff. You can go ahead. I can hear you.
All right, so Annie, if you come to the Accra High Court here this afternoon, you'll see, particularly within the corridors of the court, the court premises, you see police officers detailed at vantage points within the court premises, particularly when they pass through the security points, going to the various courts within the building. You see them positioned at various corners within the building. So that is what is actually the issue over here. What I'm gathering is that, I mean, during the previous sitting, some people who actually had the opportunity to sit in the courtroom have recorded or have done audio recordings of the proceedings, the court proceedings. So for that matter, the judge has instructed that it's not expected.
We're trying to engage Jeff Atakra, who is at the courts currently, and he is updating us that some security officers have been detailed at some vantage points, and also family members of accused persons being prevented from entering the court room as well. And then also, as a third accused in the absentia trial, face the examination by Director of Public Prosecution, Yvonne Atakra Opobisan. Jeff, are you back?
Yes, Annie, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. So apart from the security officers detailed at those vantage points you see, what can you also add to the family members of who exactly is being prevented from entering the courtroom?
Okay, so these are family members who come from the constituency of the first accused person, the minority leader, Honorable Dr. KCL Ato Forson. I mean, according to them, they are actually giving me that information that is what the security men are telling them, that they are not expecting everybody, all of them to be in the courtroom, but they are also agitated because they expect to hear the proceeding, understand what transpired in there. So even though there's a lot of space in there, they are being prevented. So a couple of people, and even with the media, if you don't have the accreditation, I'm talking about the judicial, if you're not a member of the Judicial Press Corps, you won't be allowed to enter the courtroom. So you have to show proof of your identity as a member of the Judicial Press Corps before you can be allowed in there. So I have them behind me. If you can see behind me, they are there, standing there. I've already engaged them, and these are what they are telling me, that, I mean, they are being prevented on that reason. But mind you, during the previous sitting on Thursday last week, the third accused person who is currently in the box now, responding to questions from the Attorney General's team, told the court point blank that he has declared war against the Attorney General for betraying him for a number of things that happened during their conversation that led to the audio tape that is currently in evidence. There's a lot of things that the Attorney General has done that has infuriated, has actually got him agitated. And so he told the court that he has declared war against the Attorney General. He also denied a number of allegations or accusations against him that he actually caused the meeting, arranged the meeting between him and the Attorney General in the House of Justice Blending. So, I mean, he said a lot of things in there, and I'm sure that is part of the reason why the beef have security over here, just to make sure that, I mean, proceedings for today went on successfully. So as we speak, a lot of people may not be able to have access to the courtroom as proceedings have already started. I mean, Justice Efia Sawasari, I cited him, and I'm sure as it is 12 o'clock now, she has, I mean, checked the process or proceedings ongoing.
Jeffrey, thank you so much for the updates there. And Metro